Microsoft is taking its dark mode in Windows 11 seriously by fixing major bugs and making it easier to access. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Microsoft is claiming that it's removed white flash when launching the new File Explorer windows or tabs when File Explorer was set to open to this PC. They've also removed white flashes when resizing elements of File Explorer as well. If you recall, back in November 2025, Microsoft expanded dark mode so it included a bunch of file operation pop-ups. But when it was rolled out fully to Windows 11 users, it was found to have a nasty bug where people were seeing white flashes on the screen when they were interacting with the File Explorer in different ways. However, Microsoft fixed many of them, but the white flashes still remain in some parts of File Explorer, like while resizing elements of File Explorer or while having it set to open to this PC. But all that is now fixed. Microsoft is also making it more easier to access dark mode. Leaker Phantom of Earth spotted a new option to turn on and off the dark mode in the quick settings menu accessed via the taskbar. For that, users had to go into the settings app, then personalization, then colors, which isn't a huge deal, but it's not exactly convenient either. Windows 11's dark mode has been here for quite some time now, but these weren't fixed because clearly it's not high on the list of priorities for Windows 11. But now the flashbang bug in File Explorer is getting fixed, but it's still in testing. Plus, we've seen Microsoft fixes usually introducing new bugs, so it's far from guaranteed that this will be a full end to the matter. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.